Now it's time to cut the glue book in half. So this is how I've done it. I've measured the size of the book. That's it in the middle, 5.5. Then I've gone ahead and secured everything down. So this is what's called a glue book. I've gone ahead and did the cover a little different. Most people go ahead and do it with 2 boards and a spine, and then they put binding on top of that. Nana's Cooking Craft Corner is showing you how to do it. What's so fun about it is she's live. She comes on at 6 p.m. here. I'll glue the spine here. Then I'll glue all of this pizza board on the outside and inside here, like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Attach it and fold it over. That's the back. But and then it's just, I just wanted to keep it one piece. And as you can see, all those lines, that's just naturally perforated from the pizza box, so that's pretty cool. I was going to use the cereal box, but that was a little bit more stiffer. I like this because it's strong yet flexible. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this piece of board, attach it, and then I'm going to take some of my, I have some of this paper that I dyed a long time ago, a while back. So I'll cut that down to size and then do some layering on that. This beautiful marble paper that I did. And now it's time to go ahead and do some more of this. But this is really fun to do. Really beautiful patterns. Look at this one. Anyway, I'm going to pick some of those to put in there. Go ahead and I want to journal this as far as how I do and finishing it up and what it looks like before. These are all here, these pages here get to be decorated, so I'm excited about that. So that's, hopefully I can show you that part when I get to it. Some finished pages, not the complete book, that's going to take me a while. And then having the finished book cover. And then I think I'm going to have it with a tie. I guess a tie closure. I'll have to see. Anyway, thanks. And I hope you come back to check this out when it's finished, because I'm going to be giving an update and then editing it out until I finish, and then I'll share it. It's Soto's Creative Corner saying be blessed. Stay creative, and until I see you again, stay well. Bye for now.